Welcome to the first section. In this video, we will talk about assigning variables in Python. So let's go to the first step, standard variable assignment in Python. Unlike other languages, in Python it's very simple. We don't need to declare a variable. All we need to do is give it a name, put the equal sign, and then the value we want to assign. Now I can print in and run the app to see the result. Right now we have 300 in the console as a result of the print. Now I want to change the n to a string variable instead of 300 int variable. Let's make the change and see what happens. As you can see, in the first print n is 300 and in the second print n has been changed to the hello world. You can also clear the console by typing clear and press enter. We learned how to implement a standard variable in Python, so now let's move on to implementing a chain of variables in Python. We can do it easily by putting equals between them. For example, n equals m equals x equals z equals 400. All of them refer to the cell in the memory that contains the value of 400. As you can see in the console, we have four 400s indicating the variables values. This is because we defined a chain of variables and all of them refer to a single cell in memory that stores the value 400. So now let's move on to the multi-assignment variable in Python. To implement multi-assignment, we just need to add commas between the variables' names. Each variable should have a corresponding value on the other side of the equal sign separated by commas. As you can see in the console, 300 is assigned to the first variable and hello world is assigned to the second variable. We can also check the variable types using the type function. For example, to print the type of a variable, you can use the type function and pass the variable name inside the parentheses to the print function. Go ahead and run the app and let's see the result. As you can see in the console, the type of the first variable is int and the type of the second one is str. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we can easily change the type of variable by assigning it to another type. For example, if we have an int type variable and we want to change it to a string type. You can do it easily with assigning a string value to the n variable. Go ahead and print the type of n and let's see the result in the console. Based on what we see in the console, initially n is type of int because we assigned 300 to n. After changing n to hello, the type changed to str. That wraps off the first part of the Python tutorial video. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing for more content like this.